In this video, we will learn how we can set up the Hostinger email account. To do it, log into your hosting account. We have already logged in and currently using the premium web hosting. Here, make sure you are on home page and then look for emails option. You can also find it on the left sidebar. Then you need to click on the manage button. Next, you will find the following options. The first box allows you to create mailbox. In second card, you can see that we have domain settings option. As you can see, all the four options are currently checked, which means they are set up correctly. That is because we are using and managing hosting on Hostinger. If we were using some other hosting like manage hosting on Cloudflare, then we will need some custom settings which we can find under the manage button. But in this case, we just need to click on create mailbox option. So click on it. On next page, it will ask to enter a email name such as admin@yourdomain.com, and then you are required to add a password. Make sure to remember these details, then click create. New mailbox was created successfully. Now, as you can see, we have connected our domain to email. Next, it asks us to send a first test email and then set up apps and devices. We just send our first test email and you can see this option has been checked. Finally, the last option allows you to set up apps such as Gmail, so you can receive your emails directly in Gmail, but we will learn it in next video. Now, all our mailbox is ready. Let's open it. On login page, you need to enter the same details which we used on creation page. Then log in. So here we go. Our mailbox is now ready to receive emails. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.